Oh, Charlie, so cute. Oh, Charlie, Charlie. Oh. I'm just videoing him. Oh. Darling! I don't know whether to take him to the vet or not. Holly, what the bloody hell are you doing?
Well, a long while ago, when we took him to the vet, I asked about sneezing, and he said if there's nothing actually coming down his nose,
yeah,
then it's probably to do with the sawdust.
Oh right, because he never had a problem before, did he?
But he's had the sneezing for a long time, I think.
Well, not
as...
when I was here, before I went away.
Yeah, he had it before.
No.
But nothing seems to be coming down his nose. So.